closer to Friday.
Okay.
Because it's just, and it'll give us another chance to make sure we ain't gonna have any last minute issues, you know? Just kind of the stock turbos for you. But like first and second go by pretty quick.
I think it pulled pretty hard, so.
Okay. Well, like I said, I mean, I don't think it's probably about the same as my Corvette until about 70 or 80, and then my vet would dust it.
Really?
Yeah, I think so.
11. Holy shit. Still 11. Yeah, it didn't dip under 11 that time.
Huh?
It didn't dip underneath 11.
Oh, I'll check it.
I don't think you were that high on RPMs though.
Yeah.
That's about right for like 5, isn't it?
Huh?
That's about right for 5, isn't it? 5 grand?
Yeah, about 11. No, I don't want it to go in 10s very much. You can run them as lean as 11.5, 11.8, but it's dangerous.
Okay.
On like 91 pump gas, you don't want to really. And its trans feels great. She did a good job. It's actually, I think this could be, that's probably because it's a 5-speed, they shift a little better anyway. But this is one of the better ones I can remember test driving lately. Not that they even shifted bad, but slick. Now we hide the car. I was test driving around Cape one time on W.
Yeah.
And there's a road there by the camper place. It's got the campers. Do we want to leave this out or in?
I don't think there's.
They're not going to be working on that, are
No, not today. They still got the transfer case and rear end on it, so.
they? I think I broke the clutch in.
Yeah, probably.
Hit stop data logger. We don't lose that. Let's get my video. I'll have some work ahead. Revenge Performance is the place to get the parts and the advice to help right the wrongs on your vehicle. We partner with the industry leaders in parts distribution and warehousing to get you the best possible prices, the widest selection of parts, and the fastest shipping. With our real-time inventory on our website, if we say we have it in stock, it's ready to ship. From us or from our many national distribution partners. With hundreds of thousands of parts available, I guarantee we can get revenge on your ride.